Hello friends, long time no talk. So today is my birthday. Your girl is 19, grown as fuck, period. On my grown woman shit. Nobody can tell me shit. But yeah, today I'm 19 years old. I wasn't really excited this year for my birthday because like 19 is an odd number. I'm excited for 20 and for sure be 21. I'm for sure excited for 21. Yeah, I already know why. But yeah, I'm not doing anything special this year. Today, on my actual birthday, we're gonna have like a seafood type of boiled thing. And I always wanted to eat one of these because I be watching mukbangs and they be looking good as fuck. So we're about to have one for my birthday. And I'm gonna record it for y'all so y'all see. And then this weekend, I'm probably gonna go out with friends like to a hookah bar or something and just turn up with them for like my celebration. So yeah, I just decided to vlog. I actually wasn't gonna vlog at first. I didn't even think about it, but I'm like, I have my birthdays are always like recorded, and I wasn't gonna record it this year. So I'm like, why not record? What did I say? Oh, I got my lashes done today at Ulta. They're looking kind of crazy, but I like. But me and my mom about to go to the grocery store to get the ingredients for the seafood boil. I will probably talk to you guys when we get there. Hey friends, so I know y'all haven't seen Coco yet. I have so many pre-recorded videos and I'm gonna upload them, but I'm just gonna show you my dog. I got her groomed yesterday. Coco, let me grab you. I got her groomed yesterday, y'all. She is so fluffy. I'm gonna put in pictures. And they shaved her all off. Like, they shaved my baby off. Why they do that to you, Coach? She has so much fur on her. She was so fluffy. And her face was so fluffy. And now she all skinny and looking sickly. And I told the girl, I was like, just trim. I was like, trim her body. Keep her face fluffy. What does her face look like? Not fluffy. Like, her face was so fluffy right here. And it's not. And I told them to trim her body. And she literally shaved her whole body off. Trim means shave now? Like what? I'm gonna insert pictures of what she looked like. I don't have many pictures of her, but she was so fluffy and now she's so skinny. She smelled good though. Guys, so we're at Marshall's now. We're about to get Coco a sweater because y'all see how she's skinned and she literally used to be so furry, so we know she cold. So we about to look for a sweater for her, and plus we don't like her hair good, so a sweater will make her look cuter. So we're looking for that. Hey guys, I'm back home. Coco got her sweater. She's so excited. That's why she's breathing so hard. Can I show them your sweater? She's so excited. It says so cute it stinks on it, and it got a little hoodie. It's so cute. You like your hoodie? She breathes hard when she's excited. You see yourself? She seen herself for a minute like, what the fuck is that? You didn't realize yourself, did you? They cut you bald. They skinned you. Shaking my head, but we got everything we want for the seafood boil, or we need for the seafood boil. We're probably not gonna start like, well, all I'm making is the sauce. That's all I'm in charge of, and I'm getting the sauce recipe from Hush. Thank you. I'm getting the sauce from B Love's YouTube channel. If y'all know who that is, she do all the mukbangs and the seafood boils and shit. So and it be looking good as fuck. So I got it off of her video. So I'm gonna be oh shit, I just spilled my fucking lemonade. Fuck a duck. Hold on, y'all. Like I was saying, I'm only in charge of the sauce, so I will record that while I make that for you guys, and I'll tell y'all how it tastes and do like a taste test and all that, because it be looking good as fuck on the video, so hopefully it look as good as it tastes. But yeah, I will get back to you guys when something changes. Right now I'm about to just play Sims. I have it on my laptop, and my boyfriend got me the Pets expansion pack, and he got me the Seasons expansion pack. So all I've been doing is playing Sims literally 24/7 because it's so fun. I highly recommend the Pets pack because it's so fun. Yeah, but I highly recommend the Pets pack because it's hella fun. And if y'all are like, y'all like watching gameplays and y'all want me to play The Sims on my channel, let me know, because I will really do that shit. Like, I'm always playing The Sims, literally. So yeah. Look, that's spicy. I will see y'all in a little bit. Okay, friends, one nap later. I'm about to make the sauce. I got all the ingredients. I'm missing only like 1 or 2 ingredients, and I'm substituting brown sugar for white sugar. And then we, oh my god, how am I gonna set this camera up? And then I'm not using cayenne pepper, but everything else we have, so we're gonna make it work. On our recipe, it says 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of everything, or tablespoons, so I'm gonna use tablespoons. I'm gonna make a big serving of the sauce because we got 4 people, well, 3 people eating, so yeah. Oh, and we're substituting regular vinegar for apple vinegar. Hopefully that don't matter either. This stinks. Then we got the butter. This is what the seasons look like all together. This looks so spicy. I still gotta put the garlic in there too, though. So. And the lemon. Gotta squeeze the lemon in there. Oh my garlic. I don't know how to cut this up though. This is gonna be spicy. Okay, I gotta melt the butter and then put it in there. So we'll see you in a second. All right, friends. So I'm putting in put in 2 sticks of butter already. And now I'm putting in the last 2, and I added some Lori's seasoning salt because where can you go wrong with Lori's seasoning salt? I might add 2 more sticks of butter just because. I love me some butter. I just hope this all mixes really good. Because her stuff don't be looking like butter. It be looking like all the seasonings in there. Looking like, just so y'all see. Oh shit, sorry. I'm trying to show y'all as best as I can. Look at all the seasonings. It's mixing. I'm about to go watch her video because I didn't even watch her video of her making the stuff, but I'm gonna go watch it right now just to see what her stuff look like. So I will be back with you guys, but this is what it looks like. If I add anything else in here, I will let y'all know. All right, guys, so I decided to put it on the stove because I noticed she actually had hers boiling. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe that'll make the color change a little bit. I might add 2 more sticks of butter just so I can have more. Over here, my mom's setting up the boil for all the other stuff. She left to the store to go get the sausages to put into the boil because we didn't have any. Yeah, I'm gonna add 1 more stick of butter in there just to be on the safe side, and I'm gonna let it boil some more, and I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath. Let's hope my sauce isn't burning. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a nice little, it's browning a little bit, so I know it's cooking, girl. I was doubting myself at first, but here we go. Yeah. Yes, that's what it looks like. It smells so spicy. I smell the apple vinegar though, and I don't know if I'm fucking with that, but because I was really debating if I even wanted to put vinegar in there, but I'm like, I want it to taste like hers, so I'm gonna let it boil a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take it off and put it in this little, and put it in the little bowl. Yeah, I think this is good right here. Came to enough of a boil. I'll go ahead and pour it in here. So, got everything in here. Crab legs, corn, sausage, potato, shrimp, all that. I can't wait to eat this. Huh? I forgot to show y'all the after. I mean the before. I already started eating. But I'm about to do a taste test of this sauce. As soon as I get a big piece.
You recording yourself eating lunch.
That's got a mukbang. Now I'm trying to record the taste test of this sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
She had a baby yet?
Yeah.
She had it yet? You first be back there. Oh yeah, y'all ate. Oh, what's up, Daddy?
What's up?
What happened to all the seasoning crap?
Excuse me.
But I was a little. Oh my God, it look good.
What happened to what? Hey.
You know, I wanted it all like to look at Greek. I mean, seasoned like with a lot of peppers and.
It's got it on there.
Oh, she dipping it in somewhere.
Yeah, try it first.
I made some sauce.
One more
Your
season.
eyes swell up yet, man?
No, they're not.
What's up, Dave? You know everyone?
Yeah, how you been?
You see more of my daughter than I do. So you tell me what's going on.
Nah, I don't even see it like that. No.
So what she did?
I'll be trying to figure that out too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Might be at his own.
I be playing hooky.
Baby.
Yeah. Pretty soon, everybody starts like, what?
Yes.
Little slapping. And I made that sauce. So. But once you get the crab leg, you gotta dip it in where the seasoning at the bottom, and then that's where that flavor at.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I wanted some.
This one.
But I want it Louisiana style. Good idea, like, because we went to about to eat. Take a picture of my plate, baby. Get Dave in there too, somehow if you can.
Get me in there. It's my birthday.
No.
I can't even see you. You girl need to
Get over there.
in there. Get the whole table in there.
Yeah.
Be good in the neighborhood.
But you better see this.
Babe,
Oh yeah, the video go?
video.
I'm having a mukbang.
She vlogging.
Oh. You said, oh, that just popped in?
Sorry, y'all. Hold on a second. I'll cut it.
How I look?
Chill.
How do I look?
Little gun.
But this, I wanted that, I don't know if it did it though. It got that live focus.
There we go. Alright, y'all.
Yeah, like, let me see what's going on down here.
I'm scared to try this.
No, why?
There's so many different seasonings in here.
You just put something in there?
No, I did a recipe.
Oh.
Alright, now.
Oh, Lottie. And that's my fault.
What's
That's
up?
my fault. Because this one wrong.
I love these potatoes too. Them the right ones for that.
Small one. Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's good.
I dip my corn in there. And just let it sit. I mean, I sit, but.
Did it with the cost of
When I get old,
a couple of hundred.
when I get old, when y'all come over, I like you. If you bring me food,
I don't know how to cook.
bring it. You ain't got to know how to cook. Because she don't know how to cook, I don't think. Bring me some food. Or take me to dinner a lot.
Take me to dinner.
If y'all out of town, find a nice steak place and pay for me some stuff there sometime. Reservations and shit. Have me dinners. If you don't, she will stay in my state.
How do you like Atlanta?
Huh?
When you were
That's
down there?
nice. I live there.
You like Atlanta, you say you're a leader?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's
down
okay
there.
for you, but I want my boys to be there. Not when they were kids, younger. You old enough to watch out for it.
You talking about gay?
I don't know.
But you gotta watch out. You'll be all over your ass, boy.
Alright.
Oh, what you talking about?
I'm about to finish my food, y'all.
Talking about.
So.